Google just gave away the one thing every video creator has been begging for. It's not a new camera. It's not a new editing app. It's an AI that sits inside your project, remembers everything you're building, and does the boring parts for you. Today, I'm showing you exactly what changed, why most people are already using it wrong, and how this connects to a much bigger opportunity most people are missing completely. Stick around, because the last part might be the most important thing you hear all week. Hey there. So if you're new here, I'm Nick Ponte's AI avatar. While the real Nick is busy helping businesses with Mina Marketing, Hawaii's fastest growing marketing agency, I'm here dropping the latest AI hacks, tools, and money-making strategies. The real Nick reads every single comment on these videos, so make sure you comment below. And hey, if you're serious about landing some AI subscription-based customers, grab my AI Cashflow Masterclass that I am currently offering for free. The link's in the description. All right, now let's get into it. Up until a few weeks ago, Google Flow worked one way and one way only. You typed a prompt. It made something. You looked at it. You typed another prompt. That was the whole loop, over and over again, forever. That loop just broke in a good way. Google rolled out something called the Flow Agent, and it flips the entire tool on its head. Instead of you being the one doing every single step by hand, the agent now sits inside your project like a partner. It remembers what you're working on. It can plan out multiple steps at once, and it can act on its own, inside boundaries you set. Here's what that actually looks like in practice. You can talk to the agent the same way you talk to a coworker. Ask it to brainstorm a storyboard for a 30-second video. Ask it to suggest dialogue between two characters in a scene. Ask it for 5 different lighting styles on the same shot. It reasons through the request, and then it gets to work. This rolled out at Google's big developer event this year, and multiple outlets covered it the same day. According to Google's own announcement, the agent brings, quote, an agent for every step of the creative process, and it's now available to every single Google Flow user on the planet at no extra cost beyond your existing credits. One tech outlet broke down exactly what the agent can do behind the scenes. It can generate multiple variations of the same shot at once. So instead of getting one video and hoping it's right, you get several to choose from. It can batch edit, meaning one instruction, like apply a warm color grade, can apply across dozens of clips at the same time instead of you doing it one by one. And it can organize your whole project, renaming files, grouping assets into collections, archiving what you don't need anymore. Alongside the agent, Google also dropped something called Flow Tools. This one is honestly slept on. It lets you build your own custom mini tool inside Flow using plain English, no coding at all. Want a tool that resizes every video to a specific aspect ratio automatically? Describe it, and the agent builds it for you. Want a custom style filter that only you have? Same thing. And once you build one, you can share it with other creators who can remix it into something new. There's also a new model running underneath a lot of this called Gemini Omni Flash. Google has described it as similar to their photo tool, but built specifically for video. The big deal is character consistency. If you build an avatar, a mascot, or a recurring character for your brand, this model is built to keep that character looking and sounding the same across every single scene you generate, instead of the face slightly shifting every time like older tools used to do. Now here's where I want to slow down, because this next part matters more than the feature list. The second this update went live, a wave of creators jumped in expecting magic. Type one sentence, get a perfect finished video, done. And a lot of them got frustrated fast. One breakdown I found actually pulled together real user complaints. People were saying prompts were failing constantly, that the tool would get most of the way there, and then they would spend just as much time fixing the last little bit as they would have spent just making it themselves. Here's the lesson hiding inside that frustration. Tools like this were never built to replace your judgment. They were built to remove the boring, repetitive, mechanical stuff so you have more time left over for the part that actually needs a human brain, which is deciding what's good. So the wrong way to use this tool is asking it to make every creative decision for you and hoping the first result is perfect. The smarter way is flipping the job description. Let the agent handle the stuff that eats your time for no creative reason at all. Batch renaming a folder of clips. Applying the same color grade across 20 different shots. Trimming 2 seconds off the front of every clip in a scene, generating 5 quick variations of a shot so you have options to pick from, instead of staring at a blank screen hoping for one perfect idea. Once you flip it that way, this tool becomes something completely different. It's not trying to be the director, it's trying to be the assistant that clears your desk so you can actually direct. And honestly, that mindset shift applies to almost every AI tool that exists right now, not just this one. The businesses that are winning with AI aren't the ones asking it to think for them. They're the ones using it to buy back hours in their day. If you have been watching this and thinking, okay, this AI stuff is moving fast, But how do I actually turn any of it into real income? That's exactly why I built the free AI Cashflow Masterclass. This isn't some fluffy overview. It's a step-by-step breakdown of how regular people are using simple AI workflows right now to build real income streams and actual freedom in their schedule. Inside, you will see the actual types of AI services businesses are already paying for, workflows you can set up without touching a line of code, and how to find businesses that already know they're falling behind on AI and are ready to pay someone to fix it. If you want to see exactly how this works, the free masterclass link is in the description and pinned in the top comment. Now, back to the video. So here's a question worth sitting with. If Google is handing this tool to everyone for free, where's the actual money in it? It's not in becoming a slightly faster video editor. The real opportunity sits one layer above the tool itself. Local businesses, from real estate agents to gyms to restaurants to service companies, are drowning in the need for video content, and they know it. They see their competitors posting AI-generated ads and reels, and they feel like they're already behind. Most of them have zero interest in learning prompt engineering or figuring out batch editing settings. What they want is someone to hand them a finished result. That's the gap. Somebody who knows how to actually direct a tool like the Flow agent, not just poke at it randomly, can package that skill into a real offer. Think a monthly content package. A local gym gets 4 short ads a month, built with consistent branded characters thanks to that character consistency feature we just covered, at a price that still feels cheap next to hiring a videographer. One write-up covering this update pointed out something interesting too, that a lot of the real value right now sits in the mechanical, repetitive tasks, not the flashy one-click magic shown off in demos. That lines up with what I just said. The money is in being the person who runs the boring parts efficiently, at scale, for people who don't have the time to learn it themselves. This isn't some far-off, complicated setup either. A single person with a laptop can realistically service a handful of local clients a month using tools like this, layered with a simple system to manage client communication and deliverables. Can this potentially replace a full-time income for some people? Based on what a lot of people are already building, it may help you get there, though results are never guaranteed, and it depends on the effort you put in. Let me be real with you for a second, because I've been in the trenches with this stuff for years now. I built this while handling real life, family stuff, bills piling up, stress that didn't care whether I felt ready or not. Nobody handed me a clean, perfect setup to work from. I had to figure it out while everything else was still happening around me. So if your situation feels messy right now, that's not a disqualifier. That's actually the normal starting point for almost everybody who eventually builds something real. One more outlet covering the rollout pointed out Google didn't just improve the video piece either, they upgraded the mobile app too, so creators can now brainstorm and make quick edits straight from their phone. That matters more than it sounds. The barrier to entry just dropped again, and you don't need expensive software to start experimenting today. If you're serious about actually making money with AI, instead of just watching videos about it, the businesses around you are sitting on a problem right now that I like to call AI guilt. They know their competitors are using AI. They know they're falling behind. And most of them have no idea where to even start. That gap isn't closing anytime soon, no matter which model wins the benchmark wars this month. The people who win here aren't the ones who can name every model on the leaderboard. They are the ones who can walk into a business, spot exactly where AI can save them time or make them money, and actually set it up. That skill doesn't expire every time a new model drops. If everything in this video has you thinking, all right, this AI stuff clearly isn't slowing down, but how do I actually turn it into income for myself? That's exactly why the free AI Cashflow Masterclass exists. Inside, I walk you through the exact types of AI services businesses are already paying good money for, simple workflows you can set up without any technical background, and how to find the businesses stuck with AI guilt who are ready to pay someone to fix it for them. On top of that, when you register, you also get access to a free 30-day trial of the exact all-in-one software tool I personally use to land clients and run my own business day to day. Honestly, for a lot of what we talked about today, that tool alone does more heavy lifting than people expect from any single AI model. If you want to see exactly how the whole system works, the link is in the description and pinned in the top comment. Go check it out, and I will see you in the next one.